Welcome! In front of me I have Amazfit GTR 2E and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the power saving mode on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the upper button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. On the quick panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like this icon, the leaf with the lightning bolt next to it. This is the power saving mode icon, and if you want to enable the mode, simply tap on this icon, tap on the check mark to confirm, and the power saving mode will be enabled, and that's how it looks like. You have access to battery level, time, date and steps, and that's about it. And to exit the power saving mode you need to press and hold the upper button and keep holding it until you see the normal watch face, like this. And that's how you enable and how you disable the power saving mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.